past Monday, mega celebrity and influencer Kim Kardashian agreed to pay $1.26 million to the US Securities and Exchange Commission. She agreed to do that in order to settle charges that she had illicitly endorsed a cryptocurrency token on social media. Today, we take a look at what exactly was the reason she chose to pay such a huge fine, along with talking about EMAX or Ethereum Max, the cryptocurrency token in question. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to One India. Kardashian was one of many celebrities who were a part of a crypto craze last year, which included intense advertising and funding of cryptocurrencies and their related technologies. In June last year, she had posted an Instagram story inviting her millions of followers to invest in Ethereum Max. This is not financial advice, but sharing what my friends just told me about the Ethereum Max token, she wrote in her story. When she put out the crypto post in June last year, she had 220 million followers on Instagram. Her post, marked as an advert, may have been the largest financial promotion with the single biggest audience reach in history. Last year, she was among the 3 celebrities who were sued by investors for misleading and non-disclosure of financial gains related to such endorsements. Other defendants included boxer Floyd Mayweather Jr., basketball player Paul Pierce, and the currency's creators. The legal action alleged that these celebrities collaborated with EMAX to misleadingly promote and sell the token. The class action claimed that EMAX operated a pump and dump scheme, which means that misleading marketing is used to inflate the price of an asset and is then sold to unwitting investors at a profit. Although she denied any wrongdoing on her part, she chose to pay the fines to settle the matter and has agreed that she won't advertise anything crypto-related for the next 3 years. According to the SEC, she was fined for failing to clearly mention the fact that she had been paid US $250,000 to endorse the crypto token EMAX. Regulations by the authorities clearly mention about the disclosure of monetary incentives celebrities or influencers get in order to promote crypto assets. Since the crypto world is little regulated and less understood, its promotion by celebrities poses the risk of investors getting into schemes they might not fully comprehend. This means getting duped or scammed. But what exactly is EMAX or Ethereum Max? Though the name begins with Ethereum, it is not related to the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, but a token built on top of the blockchain. Like many cryptocurrencies, it promises to reshape the future of finance in hyperbolic and figurative terms. In other words, EMAX is just a security. Although its promoters have not registered it as such with the US SEC, but the regulators see this as a token rather than a new cryptocurrency altogether. Ethereum Max wants to create a robust and scalable ecosystem that fully maximizes the power of decentralized finance. The token also serves as a symbol for upending cultural differences. Those who possess the EMAX token apparently get access to the hottest restaurants and clubs and several other special privileges. In short, EMAX is a cryptocurrency token which is tradable asset built on pre-existing cryptocurrency technology. It was one of several tokens that raised suspicions from skeptics because of the amount of promotion it was getting online. The US SEC, it seems, has decided to come hard on the celebrities who choose to endorse crypto techs without disclosing their financial remuneration for such endorsements. This was all the important points about the EMAX token and the monetary fine imposed upon the famous celebrity Kim Kardashian. We hope that you liked this new video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.